about to give a new look to this beautiful Gladiator. Just this customer has the purple trim from Amazon currently on her vehicle. So you can see it's faded, it doesn't have any depth to it. Get the side. Let's see, this is more like the original color versus the faded portion. So we're gonna get rid of that for her and help her jazz this beauty up a bit. Again, there's more of like the typical type of fading you get with what you purchase off Amazon. It's kind of got no depth to it. It's crackling. Just does not look very nice on this super nice looking vehicle. This is the inside, so you can see this is the purple Amazon trim. It's kind of like a pinky purple. This stuff's in better shape because it's been inside, not hitting the sun necessarily. But definitely is not the same as genuine painted trim. One thing I'm noticing as I'm taking this plastic off is, unlike the trim that's custom painted, this stuff without any protective is very brittle. So when you remove the Jeep trim from Color My Jeep that's been custom painted, it does not crack and break up like this. This plastic is unprotected and super brittle. Just not good. Normally you should be able to lift up under there and the whole thing will come off as one door handle piece, but this plastic is just brittle. Little video. This is trim that's been removed. This pile is some Amazon plastic trim that was purple. When it was new, it looked like that, shiny purple. But as you can see, it has faded, and when it was taken off, it was super brittle and cracks. Unlike this, which is Color My Jeep trim, you can see there's no more double-sided tape, or these have been applied and removed. This one got a little crack in it on removal, but you can see it still looks super shiny and bright, still has a mirror finish. And this was on a Jeep for a year. Person changed their mind on the color, so took it off, but just a little indication of the quality of differences in the trim. This is removal of some Amazon purple plastic door handles, which, as you can see, were faded, brittle, chipped, cracked. When removing them, they essentially like disintegrated apart. Versus this set, which is Color My Jeep trim, that was painted, custom painted in Mojito. So it's pretty much, these were on the customer's Jeep for about a year, and they just changed their mind on color. So I'm just using this to show you. You can see the tape is removed. So these had been applied and removed. Same with the caps. So overall, these are still in excellent shape and look pretty much brand new after removal versus the Amazon trim pile. Purple hood hinges, that's the back side. You can see that's what they originally looked like, the color and the shine. This is what they look like after being on this Gladiator for a while. This is a set of Color My Jeep painted, custom painted, that were on a Jeep for over a year. These have been removed, and you can see they could easily be used again by just putting new double-sided tape. They are still shiny, no scratches, no fading. So just kind of give you a sense of how well the trim will stand up versus the trim you get when you purchase from Amazon or eBay. Comparison, Amazon trim that's been on for a year. You can see faded, it's not shiny, it's cracked. That's kind of a little glimpse of what it used to look like. And then this is Color My Jeep trim that's been on for a year and was removed. See the tape gone off the back.